It's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Front heated leather bucket seats. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Dual zone climate control. Adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.